Ngayon, as of now, hindi pa pinapag-isipan. But syempre, baby steps. Tingnan natin when we get there.
Pero paano mo na-absorb yung kampanya ngayon?
Well, since I was a kid, since I was born 1992, my dad ran for Vice President, 98 President, 2010. Talagang sumasama naman ako. So I guess kaya yung course ko, Pol Sci, dahil na rin doon. As a kid, I was exposed to it.
So, may offer na. Marami ng offer na, I guess.
Offered.
Do commercials, do
Wala, actually wala. Walang gano'n. Walang offer.
What's your dream role?
Walang umaabot sa akin at least.
Anyway, kung may dream role ka.
Dream role. Bakit hindi yung life story ng daddy ko? Pwede lang. Actually, when I was a kid, gusto ko rin kasi can't deny it, both my parents were from showbiz. Pero ngayon, hindi ko na masyadong isa kay Mina dyan na si Julian, baka mas kaya niya. Ayaw ko pilitan, hindi naman tayo marunong umarte.
Ayaw niya makialam sa love life mo. Ano mo masasabi mo dahil ko?
Well, yeah, I'm thankful for that. At least, naiintindihan niya. Hindi siya nakita. Totoo naman po yun. Never niya ako sinabihan anything. Do this or not to do this.
Naibigay ba ni Andy yung birthday gift mo?
Walang birthday gift.
Wala pa rin?
Walang birthday gift. To be honest, wala. Wala po talaga.
Well, the presence is enough siguro.
Yeah. I guess kung mayroon mang birthday gift is that sinamahan niya ako, I think once or twice dito sa Manila to pag-paper with that. So, birthday gift na yun, malaking birthday gift.
And he is thankful, no?
Yeah, of course. I mean, I guess she's there number one as because she believes in my father, in his cause. And number two, syempre, good friends naman talaga kami. Hindi naman nawala yan. So, thankful, very grateful ako. Naayos, yeah, we're friends. Pag-usapan naman namin kung ano nangyari sa atin.
Yung nag-thank you daddy mo na nag-campaign si Andy. Hindi rin sila nag-thank you.
Hindi ka naman kasali dito. Lumayo ka nga.
Huli!
Nag-thank you pero hindi rin niya nakita.
Pagbigyan mo na.
Si Andy na nag-campaign.
Hindi niya nakita sa labas, but dito nakita naman sila.
Nag-thank you siya na nag-campaign siya.
Actually, I was out nung nag-meet sila kasi yung mommy ko nag-introduce sa dad ko, so hindi ko alam kung may conversation man or... I guess malamang nag-thank you naman dad.
O ngayon nga nag-thank you siya.
Kay Andy.
Yes, yes.
Sabi niya pag graduate po na ng college, okay daw, kung gusto raw mag-showbiz, okay daw. Bahala ka daw.
Natanong na sumali. Natanong na
Okay, Kevin, tinatanong ko. Okay.
Ano?
Pag-showbiz ka ba?
Panoorin mo na. Hindi, sabi ko nga, well,
Others.
one more year, we'll take it from there. Hindi ko pa alam.